Hello viewers, Slavic is with you and broadcasting to you. So, what is the subject of today's video? A Makita screwdriver, the weakest in the line. Another old line. They say it's good. I don't know. In general, this is a screwdriver with batteries for 9 and 6 volts. The capacity is not important. It can be made infinitely. In general, what do I want? I want to install a battery. I'll show you now. Here's a battery. The hotel is some kind of cadmium. There are 2 of them in the kit at once. Some is already dead. I think it charges there in 5 to 10 minutes, and the second one seems to hold, but due to long-term storage. We sat down and that's it. In short, I plan to put 3 cans of 1860 Skodak here, I remember. Or 20 ampere, which, in general, there will be 2 here, and 1 with BMS rafts with rafts. Charge in short with indicators in general, not about this yet in general. I have not found specific information reliably that you can put on 9 and 6. 12 volt, 14 volt, even a battery. Supposedly there is an engine here. The engine goes to several models at once. Or you can even use 18 volt. Well, correct me in the comments if I'm wrong. Well, in general, they say such things, that 1 engine goes for the whole. Now I want to disassemble it and look at the engine markings, what is written on it, according to the characteristics by number to find. Already start working. I mean, not to work, but to order batteries. For pieces. There will be a BMS board right away, and at the same time. I'll also put a bigger fly here so that it will be good. And bring out or buy a power supply with this so that the power supply also has an indication when it gives out current, when it doesn't. Accordingly, when the battery is charging, because this indicator, well, it's clear when this one light is on, it means it's already dead, but when it's charging, nothing is clear at all. It just charges, 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 charges. Wow. And here's the first minus. The screw is too deep. I can't unscrew it. It's good that I have screwdrivers, but for some reason this screwdriver doesn't want to unscrew it either. Look, what's wrong? I'll take it apart, I wonder. Just a second. Well, I seem to have torn it off with another bit. I'll unscrew the rest with it better, but that's not what we're talking about now. Let's... continue to disassemble this equipment. What's here, of course, I seem to be unscrewing everything.
Так, ну вот вроде все, да?
I bought the screwdriver a long time ago, but I hardly work with it, and for the last year it's been lying around and used, maybe more.
Лежит без дела. Может, даже больше.
So, staples. I don't see any staples here. How do we put them on the window now? Let's open it. So, that's all, right? So, which part is rising? This one, I think. But this one is rising. There's some kind of grease here, where on the gearbox is okay. You see, it's even inside.
Так, смазка, где она? На редукторе, окей. Видите, он даже внутри.
Not clogged with dust, and even here they put a ferrite ring for some reason.
Поставили. В общем,
What do we see here? Even here on the side there's a marking that we can clearly see, and the China model is what's written here.
и то, что здесь написано, 14 вольт, что
I'll show you now, and then I'll go look for it.
сейчас я вам покажу, и потом пойду поищу информацию. Сейчас поближе сделаю. Так. Ну, фокусируйся. Так, ну вы, наверное, так не увидите.
How can I show you, but?
А, вот. Made in China. Ну,
Well,
всё видно.
everything is visible. You see, the 14.4. So now this is the internet for you.
Интернет. И посмотрю, что за это за двигатель. Можно ему 12 вольт давать. А ведь там будет он полностью заряжен.
I didn't find any information, but I found this engine.
И 2, может 12,3 с просадками. Так, окей. Так, значит, не нашел информации, но нашел вот такой двигатель. Стоит он
Makita Japan 729 rubles, and here's what's interesting on it: the markings on the bottom row 629, 814 by 4. There is also SI. Before there was 15 there I see, but this number is different. Also numbers where.
тоже цифры QD.
And there on the site there is 144, but here it says 96 volts.
96 вольт.
Basically, I think the engines are not all the same size. Or not, what do you think?
Или нет, ну как думаете? В общем, напишите, пожалуйста, можно ли на него...
Just write, please, who knows, because I also looked on the forums. Somewhere 50 to 50, some can, some would not advise, some cannot, but probably, most likely it is possible. I even have a radiator.
На кнопке. Круто. Вот
That's how it
такие
is.
дела. Кто знает, пишите, пожалуйста, в комментариях. Можно или нельзя 12 вольт ему давать. Ну, 12, ну да, 12 вольт будет.
Basically, when the battery has just been charged, so we are all friends, let's.
Аккумуляторной батареи. Так, ну все, друзья, давайте. Буду очень рад.
If you answer me everything for now, so a small postscript on the creaks of dragging hours.
Дописка постскриптом, так сказать. Сейчас я вот зарядил аккумулятор, да? И смотрю,
Watch now what happens.
произойдет.
I measure its voltage, and it shows 11 volts.
показывать может 12, да? 13.
I think there will be nothing terrible in this, so the conversion of the battery from 9 to 12 volts will be.
С 9 на 12 вольт быть. Все. Теперь точно всем пока.